How's it going, guys? It's just another dad bringing you just another toy review. Today it'll be Studio Series 8603 Autobot Blurr. So this guy's not bad. He comes with his gun and his little welder from the movie, little hook welder. Okay. Real quick, we'll bring in the box, take a look at it. So we got nice artwork on the front. You see we have Studio Series 8603 Blurr on this side. Some artwork of Blurr on this side. Some more blurry goodness, and the product shot on the back. Okay, and his backdrop is the Battle of Autobot City. Okay, so we'll bring in some people for some scaling. We got Voyager Optimus, Deluxe Bumblebee, we got Wavemates Cup, and Jazz, and just for fun, Daniel / Spike. They look pretty good together, not bad. I do like them. Okay, let's get these guys out of here. And we will get into his transformation. Okay, and his transformation. Let's get his gun and his hook welder off of his hand. Okay, so then I'm gonna start with Mr. Blurr's feet. Fastened nicely. They kind of went a little hard. Okay, and then we just go over top, swirl around, fold up his extremely small cap space, and then we're gonna do it with the hands now. Arms out and down. These go under, where they will be tabbed in with these feet pieces. Okay. Let me flip, plug it in there, and right there, and repeat. And there we go. Fits away nice. Okay, and for his gun and his hook, the hook goes into these pegs right here. But first, you'll put the gun into that slot there, and then fit the hook weld and hand over, and there you go. For comparison, we have Voyager Optimus, Speed, Wavemate Jazz, and Cut, and again just because Daniel slash Spike. Once again, I think he looks really good put up next to his Wavemates and put up next to the War of Cybertron trilogy's G1 figures. All in all, very nice. I'd like to think that the Transformers The Movies collection is gonna continue to grow. And this has been Just Another Dad doing just another toy review. Thank you.